Students, this is your first practical class. This is a compound microscope. Today we will talk about its parts. So this is base, and then pillar, and this is arm, and this is eyepiece, and then this is nose piece. Three lens, 10x, 40x, and oil immersion is 100x, and then this is stage. This is clip, and this is knob, which is stage controller, and others is clip controller, and this is fine course, and this is fine adjustment, and this is coarse adjustment, and then this is condenser, and this is the mirror, and this is the diaphragm. On students, this is the light source, and this is the power adjustment. You can increase or decrease the light according to your necessity. So this is the all parts of a compound microscope. So you have seen what are the parts, and I have already told you. So now I will send you some pictures of its parts and the written part of this compound microscope. So thank you all. Students, now I will tell you what are the functions of these parts. And this is the base. Base supports the microscope, and then the pillar. Pillar is used to microscope to be lifted at your suitable angle, and then arm to support the focusing and magnifying the system, and then earpiece body tube. It is used through the body tube, light passes to the eyepiece, and then nose piece has there are three parts: 10x, 40x, and 100x. And when the 10x is used for the initial focusing and total count of WBC, we use the 10x. And then 40x total count of RBC and the differential count of WBC, and 100x it is called the oil immersion. So when we use the 100x, we have to use a special type of oil that is called immersion oil. And students, you have to be alert when you are using the 10x, the light should be low, and then 40x light should be increased, and then when you are using the 100x, light should be more increased. And then condenser is only to the focus the light, and condenser is used when condenser is used only to focus the light, and the amount of light passes through the mirror. You can adjust the amount of light through the condenser. Students, now I am showing how to fix a slide. First of all, you have to turn on the turn the clip, and then stage. After placing the slide on the stage, you can use the stage controller to your suitable point, and the clip controller. This is the coarse. And you can students, you can use the coarse adjustment and fine adjustment. By the coarse adjustment, you can up down the stage, and the fine adjustment you can clear the focus. And after focusing, you will be able to see the slide properly. And this is the mirror, and this is the diaphragm. From the diaphragm, the light is passing to the slide, and on the left side, this is the light source. This is the light source. This is the light source. You can turn on and turn off the light source. Okay. So thanks all.